how to change Trust Wallet account password. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change Trust Wallet account password. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Trust Wallet app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Trust Wallet app with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this setting option just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so after you tap on the setting, you'll have to go the option security. So from there, you'll have to go the option security. And now from the security section, you'll have to go the option app lock. So make sure you have turn on this app lock from here. So after you turn on the app lock from there, you'll be able to create a new passcode for your Trust Wallet apps. So from here, you can create a new passcode, and after then you'll have to confirm it again. After you done this procedure from here, you'll be able to change or create Trust Wallet account password. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.